I present my test result to Elizabeth. Should that be private? I need you here. Okay, I am on my way. By the time Kirk arrived, Elizabeth March had already transported up from the planet and was standing in the sick bay office, her face taut with apprehension. Obviously, McCoy had told her anything yet. The doctor himself looked down. Anything yet. The doctor himself looked down and exulted, the bag under his eye bigger and darker than Kirk had ever seen them. Kirk feared the worst. McCoy came up with the medical miracle Anna needed. Bone asked me to be here. Kirk explained, is it alright? Your present, March? She nodded. Then they both turned to McCoy. Out with Bone, Kirk said. The better man. When the planet Imperia, a colony of genetically perfected human beings, demanded that the Federation remove a science station which has been placed for nearly 20 years, the Starship Enterprise is assigned to transport the planet. The Federation Ambassador will... Bilhin mo to, sir. Gusto mo?
Ito?
Oo. Gawin natin apartment.
Palintahan natin?
Oo, parerentahan natin. Ano?
Tara na, Frida, doon tayo.
Sige, tara na. Alis na tayo dito.
Ganyan ni Frida magbasa. Yan po mga kalingap, matalino po yan si Frida eh.
Tara na, sir. Baka malamok.